Hey, it's Ian, and today I have the handheld chainsaw with 2 lithium-ion batteries. Now right off the bat, I want to stress that this is a premium and super powerful version that won't disappoint. It's going to cut through just about anything you need. Now let's go ahead and take a look at some of the things we use this for. Now what really impressed me the most is this was able to cut through many items that you would really only expect large chainsaws to handle, like big logs and branches, but this was able to glide through like butter. Now one of the things you're really going to love about having a handheld chainsaw is that you're going to have that cutting precision that you just can't get with full-size chainsaws. That means you'll be able to trim branches and trees to perfection, while also being able to remove specific vegetation without disturbing anything around it. Not to mention, this is super lightweight, it's really easy to operate with just one hand, and it's built with quality in mind, and you're really going to be able to feel that the moment you pick it up. Best of all, like I said before, this comes with 2 21-volt rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, so you'll never have to stop working because you'll always have power on deck. Now if you've ever owned a full-size chainsaw, you know just how big, bulky, and heavy they are. But that's why I love this model, because it's super portable and easy to store since it comes with this custom carrying case. So you could take this just about anywhere. Now one thing that I do want to mention is that the chain on this chainsaw is a standardized size, so you can easily replace it and find a new one when needed. Plus it even comes with the tools necessary to do so. Now I do want to mention that the cutting teeth on the chain is made of high quality carbon stainless steel, so you do want to be extra careful around them. But there is a safety lock on the side here, but we still recommend taking the battery out when it's not in use. Now I want to reiterate that this will not let you down. Even though it's half the size, this still delivers full power. Now we have an awesome deal on the site that you're not going to want to miss out on. So head on over there and get yours today before they're all gone.